Okay, oh wow. That was close. That parked truck on our right hand side, that was very close road, because every time the car failed to navigate exactly in this route, exactly in this same road, again and again. I thought in the first place that car will slow down to give a space to that school bus. Car creeps for some reason. It always does that in this exact location. The car doesn't need to creep at all, because and it's already saying in the display that full self-driving may be degraded because of the weather. You can slow down now, like you're going way fast while making this left. I got a little nervous, but as I said, if I don't assist the car always failed here. Version 12.3 failed, version 12.3.3 also failed. It was very narrow. The car cannot do it. Hello everyone, we are back with another full self-driving video, and as you guys can see, I cannot use my outside camera today because it's raining, it's pouring outside. So what I have to do is test FSD beta 12.3 in New York right now, and hopefully the car will not make any mistake. And it's already saying in the display that full self-driving may be degraded because of the weather. So let's see how the car performs here. It's giving me warning. This is a always stop sign, and the car creeps for some reason. It always does that in this exact location. The car doesn't need to creep at all, because, you know, like this is always stop sign and you don't need to creep when this is always stop sign. We need to slow down. This is very smart that the car gave. Okay. Oh, wow. That was close. That parked truck on our right hand side, that was very close. I thought in the first place that car will slow down to give a space to that school bus, but at the end the car was slowly creeping and it realized that we have space and it just moved forward. So let's see. Very nicely done. Make that right turn perfectly and smoothly, no complaint. So here in this location, the car always failed to navigate because this is kind of a tricky road. The car should go into this left lane to make this left. So today I just assist the car a little bit so that the car can follow. So very nice. So today I assist the car. Make sure you understand I assist the car to go in this road, because every time the car failed to navigate exactly in this route, exactly in this same road, again and again. Version 12.3 failed. Version 12.3.3 also failed yesterday. So I navigate myself. I assist the car to tell the car, please change the lane and move on that left lane so that you can go into this road. Very nice, but at least it learned. So probably next time, whenever we're going to navigate in this exact route, the car will handle this. So we're going to try this one more time. So let's go and change the navigation. Let's see how the car handles this one. Slows down for some reason. Going super slow. Okay, nicely navigating through these narrow roads. Very nice. You can slow down now. Like you're going way fast while making this left. I got a little nervous because it was going a little fast when making that left turn. while it was going straight, that moment it was going super slow. There are no other car. We can make this left perfectly. Very nicely done. No complaint. Okay, creeping. Again, a little bit slower than, normal. Like if a human driver is driving, it will just go away because there is no other car on our left. Unfortunately, I cannot use that outside camera today because of the rain, but nobody can stop me, So let's see how the car handles this U-turn. This is a very new thing for me because I never tried it in this narrow road. You shouldn't do that now. Shouldn't. It's trying. Okay, it couldn't make it, so I'll just assist myself. Because it was very narrow. The car cannot do it. I understand, like, it's not the car's fault. It's just, like, my fault, I would say. So again, let's see if the car can handle this exact route again. Because last time I assist the car, but let's see this time the car can handle this one or no. So it should change the lane now to get into that lane. Left lane to make this left. But as I said, if I don't assist the car always failed here. You see, it's just rerouting us right now. But in the first place, it should just change the lane to get into that left lane to make a left turn. So, okay. Very slow, very, very slow. It's like the steering wheel is not hesitating, but it's going super slow. So I would say like it's also a hesitation, like not nagging the steering wheel. Not nagging the steering wheel doesn't mean that I'm not hesitating. I'm hesitating by slowing down. It tried to make that left turn, but all the other cars are coming super fast. It's trying hard to make a left. But yes, after this one, you can definitely make it. Very nice. Okay, no problem, no complaint. So what we're gonna do is change the destination to our house again. Okay. Nicely brake. No hard brake. Very nice though. Very, very impressive. Why you're going super slow now? Yes, I also realized that. Now let's discuss about this. I saw one post on X about Chuck talking about that fender camera and also that B-pillar camera, right? I felt that in this turn that the car has to be moved so far from that lane to see all other cars coming or no, right? So I just felt that when the car was making that left turn and the car proceeded way far from that white line to just get a look from that left and right. Probably the B pillar camera is way behind so that the car have to move all the way. Probably half of the car is on the road and then it can see. So probably, I'm not sure, but probably if Chuck is right for full self-driving, we need at least a bumper camera or a left-right camera on the bumper or the, mirror or something so that the car can see easily, I guess. That's a very nice thing I realized today after making that left turn from that far. We're gonna make a left here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, because as a new content creator, if you guys subscribe, I can make more videos and, it will help my channel. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.